Today, we'll be sharing on job order module, sales order to purchase order module, and bill of material module. A sales coordinator usually will input the sales order based on the customer purchase order received. The stock product will be updated into the system as ordered quantity. If the stock are purchased from supplier, then the purchaser have to transfer from sales order to purchase order. Unless the stock are manufacturer, then you have to proceed to job order process. Job order take place as the order to be input after sales order. If you plan the material, component required based on the quantity ordered from sales order, when product produced out, you have to transfer the job order to stock item assembly to update the stock on hand. Now, let's go to stock item maintenance to create all your finished good product and raw material as usual. The differences for finished good item is you have to click on BOM and to change the status to BOM and select all the component and quantity required to produce this finished good. You can also enter your production time in order to view BOM planner report. Let's view on one of the raw material item. You can also enter the lead time in order to view BOM planner report. Now, let's say you have received a purchase order from customer. Let's do it from sales order. Choose the customer and the item ordered by the customer and click on save. You can also highlight on the item to press F11 from your keyboard to check your available stock balance for this item. Let's say sales order quantity 40. You did not do any purchase order and job order. Your quantity on hand is 200. After minus with your sales order quantity, your available balance will be 160. Now, I will show you two different situations. First situation, let's say you have purchased the stock item from supplier. You can transfer the sales order into purchase order. To select your supplier, to right click, transfer from sales order. To enter the quantity you wish to order from your supplier, click on OK and save. For second situation, let's say you are a manufacturer of car. Before we proceed to job order, let's view on BOM planner report. You can select your finished good item to enter the date to complete. Let's say 15th of June and your production time and apply. As you can see, system will show out all the component and quantity required to produce this finished good. You can also check on hand quantity, shortage, and what is the latest order date for all the component. Now, let's proceed to job order. New. To select your customer, right click, transfer from job order. Enter the quantity for this job. Click on OK. And system will show you this job to assemble 2 units of car and what is the component and quantity required to produce 2 units of car. Click on save. You can also view production, print outstanding production document listing, outstanding job order, to check any job order yet to complete. After the job complete, let's do an item assembly in order to update your stock accordingly. Right click, transfer from job order. Enter the quantity, press on OK and save. Once you have saved this item assembly, system will auto increase 2 units of car and reduce all the component and quantity accordingly. You can also enter your wattage. Let's say for this item assembly, 1 unit of wheel wasted. just click on one, and to check on Wastage. If you have any overhead costs and assembly costs, you can enter and system will update accordingly. Click on Save. Same concept for stock item disassembly. If you have disassembly this car, system will reduce 1 unit of car and increase all the component quantity accordingly. You can also check on production, print BOM Wastage report. You can select your item assembly and apply. System will show you what is the component used to produce this finished good and also Wastage. This is the concept for today's topic. Thank you.